Hashtag concerts. Hashtag town. Bye. We just got back from the Young Giant concert.
Hello. Cayuga Sound. They were
Cayuga Sound
headlining.
2017.
No, 2018. Not the year, sweetie.
2018. Ladies, what are our thoughts?
What are your thoughts? It's your first concert.
Best experience of my life. I cannot believe.
When I was 7. Alright.
That's not the topic of the video. Best experience. Cannot believe I haven't been to more of these.
Also, we went for free because we're volunteering.
Look at the bands. Yeah. I know.
Wait. Solid. Also,
We're the Powerpuff Girls.
Also,
It's
sorry about your head. I'm in love.
so cute.
I'm in love.
Cayuga Sound. Here's Claire with the highlights.
You got it, Claire.
Claire.
It was great. We like peace, love, and fucking tranquility. And if someone asks you if Seth sent you over to get t-shirts, you say yes, and then you get free t-shirts and posters. That is my gift from me to you. Back to the other.
Back to us.
Also, lead singer of X Ambassadors said I
Let's
was beautiful.
discuss. Oh, I thought we were going to talk about his hotness level. There's some
also-
controversy with how attractive he is.
Mm-hmm.
I think bald men with beards are too manly and gross.
Alright, but if you saw the way he said I was beautiful and then also danced, you'd be saying something else. Let me just say that.
It's hard to judge ourselves accurately, isn't it? Confidential, I got potential. A ratchet, my body.